Welcome to Clark, an emerging hub for innovation and trade in Asia and the Pacific. With a steadfast economy, the Philippines continues to build momentum year after year, driven by its expanding gross domestic product. Today, it stands tall as one of Asia's fastest growing economies. Clark is home to vast development-ready land, making it the ideal strategic hub for the semiconductor industry. Discover why Clark is the future of semiconductors. Backed by the Semiconductor and Electronics Industry Advisory Council, which counts the Basis Conversion and Development Authority as among its key members, the initiative unlocks vast opportunities in Clark. Clark is home to world-renowned brands and leading semiconductor manufacturing companies, top pharmaceuticals, business process outsourcing services, and a thriving dining and entertainment scene that blends business power and unmatched lifestyle. With commitments of billions in foreign and domestic investments in the coming years, Clark is bound for greater developments with its existing industrial portfolio.
Clark has the aviation infrastructure you would expect from a world-class business jet facility, a clear airspace, long runway, and a full-service airport around the clock.
Clark is a logistics sweet spot. Easy access to Manila, to Subic, to northern and central Luzon, and Clark is a gateway to Asia.
Clark, as the Philippines' first smart green and disaster-resilient city, is a perfect environment for our renewable energy battery manufacturing operations.
There's a lot of talent people here to fit into our need of manufacturing. It really helped us a lot to grow our business.
The biggest benefit of having business in Clark is transparency and ease of doing business.
Good governance is also a key pillar for its progress. Inside Clark are satellite government offices that serve as a one-stop shop for all compliance needs for ease of doing business. Beyond infrastructure and governance, the true gem of Clark is its people. Highly skilled, English proficient, and adaptable professionals, including technical workers and creative innovators, drawn from across central Luzon and beyond. On the horizon are greater innovations in fields of technology and sustainability. Currently being rolled out is an AI-based smart mobility system within New Clark City. A pioneering feat of progress in the Philippines' transportation system that incorporates low-carbon solutions and autonomous public utility vehicles for a more sustainable and efficient transport network. On the rise is a 100-hectare industrial park, developed with a Science Park of the Philippines, poised to attract advanced manufacturing and tech firms. To support this growth, the Clark International Airport is undergoing expansion, with a new runway and terminal planned to further boost passenger and cargo flow, making Clark even more accessible for regional and global trade. Clark is not just a gateway, it's the launchpad of a nation in motion. Invest in Clark and see your dreams come to life today.